welcome back to part 3. By now we've learned something about the core parts of the instrument and the small parts that are relevant in everyday playing. In this video we'll go one step further and have a look at some more specialized components of the instrument. The Kamigoma is the nut at the very top of the Saruo, where the strings cross before they wind into the itomaki. It's usually made of metal and prevents the strings from digging into the wood. Depending on the sawari mechanism, your Kamigoma will either look like this or like this. The sawari is the magical buzzing sound of the shamisen, but it also refers to the mechanism that makes this sound possible. On some instruments, the buzz is fixed. In this case, it's called yamasawari. It's basically a notch right next to the Kamigoma. On others, there's a mechanism that lets you adjust and control the intensity of the buzz. That's called azuma sawari. The sawari sound is one of the things that makes shamisen instantly recognizable. If you want to know more about sawari and how it works, check out my video on that topic. The Chibukuro is the curved part at the very top of the neck where the tenjin connects to the sao. It means chest. It stops your hand when you hit the upper end of the fingerboard. You'll notice it when you play position 1. The Saruo is the curved underside of the sao where it sits on the do. Saruo means monkey tail and refers to the shape of the Japanese macaque's short tail. Very cute. The Hatomune is the gently slanted curve where the neck meets the body of the shamisen. The name means pigeon chest, another name derived from the animal kingdom. With certain shamisen types, this part is not slanted but has a sharper edge. That elongates the fingerboards and makes playing higher positions possible. With all 3 videos, you now have the core vocabulary to describe your shamisen in detail. If you'd like a visual reference, the full PDF is available on Patreon, link below. Thank you for joining me for this series. I hope it was useful and interesting, and I'll see you next time.